This is an IELTS sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Want to improve your IELTS writing skills? Check out our new IELTS writing channel. Let's start off by talking about sunglasses. Do you often wear sunglasses?
Yes, I do. I usually wear sunglasses when I go outside, especially on sunny days. They help protect my eyes from the bright sunlight and make me feel more comfortable.
When do you wear sunglasses?
I usually wear sunglasses in the summer when the sun is intense to protect my eyes. However, even during winter, I use them while driving on bright days to reduce glare and enhance visibility.
Do you spend a lot of money on sunglasses?
Not really. I prefer affordable but good quality sunglasses. I think as long as they have proper UV protection, there's no need to buy expensive brands.
Do you give sunglasses as a gift?
Not often, but I think they can be a great gift, especially for someone who spends a lot of time outdoors. I once bought a pair for my friend's birthday, and he really liked them.
Have you ever lost your sunglasses?
Yes, unfortunately. I once left my favorite pair at a cafe and never got them back. Since then, I try to be more careful and keep them in a case when I'm not wearing them.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a person who likes to read a lot. You should say who he or she is, how you knew them, what they read, and explain why you think he/she likes to read a lot.
One person I know who absolutely loves reading is my friend Emma. She has been a book lover ever since I met her, and I would say she is one of the most well-read people I know. Reading is a defining part of her personality, and she is often seen with a book in hand, completely absorbed in a story. For Emma, reading is not just a hobby, but a way of life. We met in university, where we took literature classes together. I noticed she always carried a book, whether in the cafeteria or waiting for a lecture. Even during breaks, while others were chatting or scrolling through their phones, Emma would be lost in a novel or a pottery. Her dedication to reading was so consistent that it became a topic of conversation among our friends. Emma enjoys a wide range of books, particularly classic literature and historical fiction. To Kill a Mockingbird is one of her favorites, which she has read multiple times. She also loves biographies of authors and world leaders, finding them inspiring. For example, reading about Nelson Mandela gave her new perspectives on resilience and leadership. I think the reason she loves reading so much is that it allows her to escape into different worlds and gain new perspectives. She once told me that books help her relax and give her a deeper understanding of life. Additionally, Emma is a very curious person, so reading satisfies her thirst for knowledge. Overall, Emma is a true bookworm, and I really admire her passion for reading.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of reading. Why are so many people keen on reading?
Many people enjoy reading because it provides an escape from daily routines and allows them to explore new worlds and ideas. Reading also enhances knowledge, improves focus, and stimulates creativity. For example, books like Harry Potter inspire readers by offering imaginative stories and life lessons. Such books make reading both entertaining and enriching.
Should parents help their children to develop their reading habit at an early age?
Yes, parents should encourage reading from a young age, as it builds vocabulary, improves concentration, and fosters imagination. Early exposure to books helps children develop critical thinking and communication skills. For instance, reading fairy tales or educational books can spark curiosity and help build a strong habit of learning that lasts a lifetime.
Is reading for fun or for work?
Reading serves both purposes. People read novels, comics, or magazines for entertainment and relaxation. On the other hand, professionals read reports, research papers, or manuals for work-related knowledge. For example, a lawyer reads case studies for work, but might enjoy a mystery novel for fun. Reading can adapt to various needs.
What reading topics are popular in your country?
In my country, self-help books, thrillers, and historical fiction are popular. For example, books like How to Win Friends and Influence People attract readers who want to overcome depression and seek personal growth. Additionally, books about cultural heritage and history are trending as people aim to connect with their roots and traditions.
What are the differences between books and movies?
Books help readers imagine the story in their own way, while movies provide a visual and audio experience. Additionally, books give more details about characters' thoughts, but movies may leave some parts out. For example, the Great Gatsby novel explores the characters' emotions deeply, while the movie focuses more on visuals and dialogue.
Do you think people of all ages need to read?
Yes, reading is important for all ages. Children develop language and cognitive skills, teenagers gain knowledge and perspective, and adults stay mentally sharp and informed. For example, older adults often read newspapers or biographies to stay engaged and connected. Reading is a lifelong activity that benefits everyone, regardless of age.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.